Unfortunately, I'm facing this big problem here. Subscriptions are not going through. I don't know why, but somebody even subscribed in my told me he subscribed in my channel, and still it did not update. I've noticed this long, about 5 days ago. I reported it already on my channel, and I still haven't got any subscribers. After those 5 days, I know one person who also said he subscribed to my channel and nothing came, and this is a proof of it. I got somebody who was telling me in Reddit he subscribed to my channel and there was no update on my YouTube channel. So I don't know what is happening. Please, YouTube, help me, or please, anybody who knows how to help me should give me write something in the description below. I also don't know whether somebody knows how to contact YouTube, because I'm a new YouTuber and I don't know. I've been checking on the net to see contacts. I went to their contacts and there is nowhere I can send an email or something to tell them what is happening, because I find it's very uncomfortable and very not fair. That's the right word. Not fair that you get your subscribers and then it's not updated in YouTube. Thank you. If anybody can help, please do help. I hope YouTube will help and correct this on my behalf. Thank you. Bye.